In this episode, I'm gonna show you how I make my lemon and melon granita. It's so good, so refreshing. Probably this is one of the easiest refreshing dessert, snack, wherever you will ever make any occasion. You can make this out of any fruit you want. You can make this out of peaches. You can make this out of berries. You can make this out of melon. You can make this out of oranges. You can make this out of lemon. You can make this out of any fruit you want. You can do this with a little bit of honey if you don't like sugar. Right, let's cut our melon into blendable sizes. I'm gonna juice this lemon. Very simple to make. You don't need ice cream machine to make this. In fact, you only need two stuffs, which I guess you already have in your kitchen, and that is blender and freezer. If you haven't had melon and lemon, just know you're missing out on one of the best things in this planet, because the combination of lemon and melon is just amazing. Please don't forget to try this out. You'll never regret. Let's add sugar. Now we can blend. Let's blend. I'm gonna strain this and pop it in the freezer for about 2 hours. Let's wrap and pop it in the freezer for about 2 hours. Here we go. Let's wrap with cling film. See you after 2 hours. Here we are after 2 good hours. Let's just break these large chunks. Let's break it before we may take it back for more good 2 hours. This is how you get the beautiful texture, the granita is known for. We are here again after 2 good hours. Wow, look at that. Our granita is ready. This is what we are looking for. We are looking for this kind of texture. Let's check it out. Wow, so smooth. Wow. Wow, look at that. Let's serve and just enjoy. Wow. Enjoy.